Hi guys, welcome back to another math video. Today we're gonna be doing division, which like in my last video we did multiplication. And so pretty much and we're gonna be like I said, we're doing division, and technically we're gonna be doing long division. So if you guys don't know what division is, it's pretty much just like splitting up numbers into smaller numbers, pretty much. And I'll show you guys how to do long division. That's pretty much really I guess there is another way to do division, which we'll probably hop into after whatever we do after the 4 operations, which is this is the last video. Well, I guess this is the last video we're doing the 4 operations before we do them again, which will not be for like probably a couple months or a month. That's not long, but I don't know what we're doing after 4 operations, but we're just gonna go ahead and start. So we have 2 examples, which we have 325 divided by 5 and 627 divided by 2. Which these 2 examples are different because there's sometimes a thing that is for long division, and it's called, you can get a remainder, which I will show you guys. I'll show you guys the 2 examples. But yeah, let's go ahead and start. So we have 325 divided by 5, so pretty much what we have to do is you have to start the furthest place to the left, and then so we had the 4 steps, or the 5 steps. We have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So we do pretty much we have to do 5 divided by 3, which we can't do. Or no, we have to do 3 divided by 5. You can't do 3 divided by 5. I mean, which you can, but it'll be a decimal. So we'd have to do 32 divided by 5. How many whole things can we get out of 32 for 5? We can get, so if we skip count, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then 35. So that would be 6. And then 6 times 5, so we have to multiply 6 times 5 is 30. We have to subtract now. And then 32 minus 30 would be 2. And then bring down the 25, there's the 5. So, because this is our last digit, so we have to bring that down. 25. Actually, even if you subtract after, you have to bring the next digit down. And then you do that until you get whatever. Until you do that until the furthest place to the right. You do that until you get to the furthest place to the right. You do that for any number you're dividing. So now we repeat. So we do 25 divided by 5, which is, skip count, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, which would be 5. Now we multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. Then we subtract and we get 0. So we have no remainder. So you could write remainder 0, but you don't really need to. So our answer is 65. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to number 2. 627 divided by 2. So we just do the same thing. So this time we're going to do 6 divided by 2, which is 3. And then 3 times 2, which is 6. Subtract 0, 2, and then 2, and then you get 2 exactly, so you get 1, and then 2, so you do 1 times 2, which is 2, subtract 1 to bring down the 7, because that's you have to always bring down after you subtract, and then you get 17, and then you do 17 divided by 2, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, you get 8, but if you did 2 times 9 would be 18, so that'd be 1 too much. So you put an 8 here, and then you do 8 times 2, which is 16. Subtract, and we get 1. Okay, so I couldn't really put the 1 that good. What? No, it's here. Hold on, but it's 1. We have remainder 1. Remainder 1. I cannot do that. So, we get 318 remainder 1. Because if we did, so we went all the way over to the right and we did 17 minus 16, which would be 1, but that is our remainder. Whatever we subtract after to the furthest to the right is our remainder. But yeah, guys, that's how you would do division, specifically non-division. But guys, if you guys found this video helpful, I'll have another video today. But it's not gonna be for a couple hours after this one. But yeah, guys, if you guys found this video helpful, and guys have a good day. Bye.